guys, hi, you're welcome back to another video. My name is Redam Edima. In this channel it's basically about lifestyle and everyday life, and a little bit of fashion and a little bit of mental health. You are welcome back to another video. It's one of those weekly vlogs again. It has been long, but I'm back. I'm just trying to get a little bit consistent. Well, today in this vlog I'll be taking you guys with me to downtown Kampala, my favorite hangout place. I think everyone is like, this girl is always shitting when she's in Kampala. But well, I'm going to take you guys to do my hair. Like I had a hair appointment. This is already the complete hair that was done, but I want to show you guys where I exactly do my hair. Then also in this video I'll be doing a quick unboxing of some craft pieces that I received from a very beautiful, nice lady from Kampala still, the craft center. She's very pretty. I'm going to show you guys, then I'll give you more details on that. Maybe I can also give you guys a sneak peek of her shop, her craft shop, her beautiful craft shop.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets.
That was me in downtown Kampala. So this is the finished look. That's my favorite hair lady. That lady has been doing my hair like ever since I think on my graduation day. From the time I was I had like a graduation party. I went to town and I met that lady. She was so nice. So from there, I think like 2 years back now, she's the one who does my hair. So this is the hairstyle. I just went for, how they call it, spring twist. I wanted something bigger, but this is comfortable. She just did this crochet still. That's my favorite lady. Then when it comes to the pieces, I told you guys about the pieces that I received from a nice lady. Her name is Anne. So this nice lady just calls me from, I think she watches my YouTube videos. Hi Anne, I know she's going to watch this too, but thank you so much. I received these nice pieces, craft steel. She like made me choose from a collection of her pieces. I chose, then I also had to go and also have a look at her shop because she just sent me this. She said I can choose. Well, here it is.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life. No
The first piece is this. This is the first piece that she sent me, but I actually chose. She didn't send me this. This is like made out of cowrie shells, as you can see. It has like 2 cowrie shells, and the best thing about this, they are all handmade. Sorry, they are all handmade. So why I like this, I just liked it because it was simple, and I wanted this white detail so that I can match a few of my clothes, my outfit, the white. Yeah, that's what she sent me. Thank you. I'm going to leave her number. Please make sure to go and buy from her shop. This is a very nice lady. Yeah, this is the first piece. Yeah, this is the second pair of earrings that she gave me, and I love this because it has still a wooden feel. And what I like about all this, the fact that they take time and make all this. Yeah, these were like, this cost 10,000, this cost 5,000. I don't know why I expected actually these to be more expensive. 5,000, and this is 10,000. So yeah, I received them for free because she was my friend and she was nice to me and she gave them. Yeah, but if you like them, please make sure to reach her. I'm going to leave her number on the description box. Don't forget. Yeah, then this was a random pick. I just liked it. This is not really a craft set, but yeah, this also came because I had to choose 3, so I chose handmade. Then these are not really handmade. This is another set of earrings that I got from her. They're also pretty. Then another piece that I got from her is this headband that I'm using currently. This headband, as you can see, this headband is actually made out of beads. Only that I hate picking it because it's small and my hair is big, so it doesn't completely hold everything, but I wanted it to like hold till here. But yeah, it has these bead details, as you can see. She sells this at 15,000. You can also get bigger ones. Of course, you can bargain, but they are very nice, affordable. She had a lot of pieces that are different colors. Oh God, I didn't get the footage. Different designs, but I got this specifically. I picked this actually. She's gave it to me. Yeah, those are the pieces that I got from this craft shop in Kampala. Yeah, I had also talked about trying to make a few changes to this wall. Unfortunately, I went to the supermarket. It's Senana. I went to Senana, but the size of frames that I wanted were not there, so I just went and picked the smaller size of frame. I don't know which size it is, but yeah, I got 2. I think I already showed you guys. I got 2 of that, and then 1 extra frame here. I got 2 in brown color, then 1 in golden color. Let me show you. I got 2 of these frames from Senana, but these are not the size of frames that I needed. Though these frames are not expensive, they're very cheap, so I just had to grab them because I wanted something. At least I wanted to come back home with something. Yeah, so I got this and this. This I didn't. Okay, I love the woody feel, but the fact that it's not real wood, it's fake, like it's fake wood, and this is paper. So I got 2 of them. I've already spray painted one, but this is how it looked like. Then with spray paint, I'm going to show you guys in a few minutes. Then this, I also wanted to hang this up, but I don't know, I just love the color. I love the color, so I just inserted a print inside already, and I just put it next to my TV. So this, I'm not going to hang it up, but this has to be spray painted and hung up. I'm going to show you guys what I've already spray painted and how it looks like. It didn't quite come out well, but yeah, I'll just use it like that for now. Yeah, those are the only 3 things that I got from Senana. I had to rush out because yeah, money. I know myself, when I hang around, like I'm an impulsive shopper, which is not good. So I just went, grabbed the frames, and I ran out as fast as I could. Yeah.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me, that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh,
So this is the white frame that I not the white frame, this is the wooden frame that I spray painted white. That's how it looks like currently. Yeah, I just, of course, my glass even broke. My glass broke, but I got that. That's how it looks like spray painted. It's not quite nice like how this looks like, but yeah, it will work. So I'm going to keep adding more frames on this wall. I've gotten rid of I had to get rid of these wall hangings that were up. Here they are. I got rid of this. Initially it was this that was up, so I had to remove it, and then I replaced it with a few frames. I also changed the design on the frame. I want to just change this wall as much as I can for now. Yeah, so I removed this. Then I also got rid of this. There's a friend of mine that will be coming to pick them up. I don't know. Yeah, I no longer feel them. I don't know. I think they're becoming so common to me. Yeah, so I'm just going to finish putting up the remaining frames, and I'll show you guys how it looks like later. Oh, well, that's all I had for today. That's basically it for this video. Don't forget, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And for those people that have not yet subscribed, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of me, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Yeah, above all, thank you so much for taking time to click on this video. Thank you for taking time to even watch me. I really appreciate all that. And then I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a nice week. Bye.